Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine two tables in Google Docs vertically. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document with two tables. Now I combine these two tables in one vertically. Now select this last table to drag on your mouse. Then right click on this table and just click Ctrl X or click cut. Now select this first table and the last cell. Then press Ctrl V on this cell. Last first cell. Then press Ctrl V on this cell. Now you can see I combine tables in Google Docs vertically very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.